Welcome to Bike Insight, your ultimate source for the latest in motorcycle innovation and adventure. Today, we explore the highly anticipated 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, a mid-size adventure bike that's redefining performance, comfort, and technology in its class. This model is designed to bring big adventure energy in a lighter, more agile form. Honda has focused on creating a machine that appeals to both new riders and seasoned explorers alike. Bold new design. The 2026 Africa Twin 650 comes with an aggressive yet aerodynamic design, inspired by its bigger 1,100 cubic centimeters sibling. The sleek LED headlights, muscular fuel tank, and rally-inspired bodywork give it a commanding road presence. The sharper front fairing improves aerodynamics while the new graphics and color combinations add a premium, modern look. Its tall stance and adventure-ready frame make it perfect for both city rides and rugged terrains, striking the right balance between comfort and toughness. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Africa Twin 650 lies a parallel twin engine tuned for power and smooth delivery. It produces impressive mid-range torque that enhances control and confidence on off-road trails and highways alike. With improved fuel efficiency and better heat management, the bike promises long, comfortable rides even in harsh conditions. The advanced DCT, dual-clutch transmission, option enhances ride versatility, offering both manual and automatic modes for a flawless experience. Whether you're commuting or exploring mountain trails, the engine delivers consistent and thrilling performance. Suspension and handling. Honda has equipped the Africa Twin 650 with long-travel suspension and a lightweight steel frame for superior control. The adjustable forks and monoshock rear setup ensure stability across uneven trails, providing smoother landings and less fatigue. Its well-balanced geometry allows precise cornering, even when fully loaded with gear. The high ground clearance lets riders tackle rocky paths and river crossings with confidence, making it a true off-road contender. Technology and features. This model brings cutting-edge features, including a TFT touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, and multiple ride modes for different terrains. The inclusion of Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) and cornering ABS ensures unmatched safety and grip in every situation. Riders can monitor performance data in real time, enhancing the overall riding experience. With cruise control, USB charging port, and full LED lighting, Honda has blended technology and practicality perfectly. Every feature reflects Honda's dedication to comfort, control, and rider-focused design. Adventure capability. Whether on tarmac or dirt, the Africa Twin 650 is designed for exploration. Its comfortable ergonomics, wide handlebars, and efficient windscreen protection make long journeys effortless. The bike seating position supports relaxed touring, while the luggage mounting points allow easy addition of panniers for travel. The large fuel tank and excellent fuel efficiency extend your adventure beyond limits, ensuring you can explore further with fewer stops. Honda's adventure DNA shines through, giving riders freedom to go anywhere with confidence. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 perfectly balances power, technology, and adventure spirit. It's not just a smaller version of the Africa Twin 1100, it's a complete adventure companion for riders seeking thrill and comfort in one package. With its advanced features, refined design, and unmatched reliability, this bike stands out as a true global adventure machine. The Africa Twin 650 is ready to write a new chapter in Honda's legacy of exploration, giving riders the confidence to conquer every horizon.